Good morning, children. How are you all? Children, I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, chapter 5, the fundamental unit of life is going on. In this chapter, we have discussed about the cell theory, discovery of cell, different types of cell organelles. So that, children, today we are going to discuss about the prokaryote and the eukaryote cell. Children, what do you mean by prokaryotic cells? Pro. Pro means primitive type and karyotic means type of karyon, or we can say the nucleus. If the nucleus is primitive type of, so that the cells are called prokaryote. Means in these types of cell, the membrane bound organelles are absent and nucleus is also not membrane bound structure. So children, these cells are very small in the size and they have no membrane bound nucleus and cell organelles. Children, you can see the pictures of the prokaryote cells in this diagram, like cyanobacteria, mycoplasma, bacteria are the examples of prokaryotic cells. Children, PPLO means pleuropneumonia like organism, or the mycoplasma is also the example of prokaryotic cells. Children, they are generally smaller and multiply more rapidly than the eukaryotic cells, and they vary in shape and size. Basically, they are four shapes. First is the bacillus, means rod shaped bacteria. Second is the coccus. Cocci means they are spherical in nature. Third is the vibrio. Vibrio means comma shape. And fourth is the spirillum, means the spiral shaped bacteria. So basically the bacteria have four basic shapes. The different types of cell which are called the eukaryotic cell. Eu means advance and karyotic means karyon. Nucleus is advanced type, in which nucleus is bound with double membrane and nucleolar structure is also well defined. So children, the examples of eukaryotic cells are protist, plant cell, animal cell, fungal cell, in which they have the well organized membrane bound nucleus and also the membrane bound cell organelles are present, so that the presence of the membrane gives clear compartmentation of the cytoplasm, and also they have the complex locomotory and cytoskeletal structures. Their genetic material is organized into the chromosomes. So children, what is the basic difference between prokaryotic and the eukaryotic cells? Generally, the prokaryotic cells are smaller in size, but the eukaryotes are larger in size, like plant cell, animal cell. Second difference between the prokaryote and eukaryote is genetic material is in the form of nucleode, but in the eukaryotic cell it is in the form of nucleus. The nuclear membrane is absent in the prokaryotic cell, but the nuclear membrane, which is the double membrane structure, present in the eukaryotes. The membrane bound organelles are also absent in the prokaryote cell, but these membrane bound organelles are present in eukaryotic cell. Circular DNA is present in prokaryote, but the linear DNA is present in the eukaryotic cells. Children, ribosomes are very small and they are 70S type in the prokaryote, and generally in the eukaryotic cell it is of 80S type. So after that children, we should know that what is the difference between the plant cell and the animal cell. We have discussed about the cell wall, cell organelles. So we should know that cell wall is made up of cellulose and it is always present in the plant cell. Children, but the animal cell have the absence of cell wall. Only plasma membrane is present in both the plant and animal cell, but the plant cell wall is present only in the plant cell. Plastids, which we know that leucoplast, chromoplast in the form of chloroplast. It is present in the plant cell, but animal cell have lack of plastids. A large central vacuoles which occupy like 90% volume of the plant cell. Large central vacuole is present in plant cell, but in the animal cell many small vacuoles are present. The centrioles, which are utilizing in the cell division, it is absent in plant cell, but in the centrioles are present in the animal cell. So children, these are the difference between the plant cell and the animal cell. Children, today we have discussed about the eukaryotic cell and the prokaryotic cell. After that we have discussed about the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Also we have discussed the plant cell and animal cell and their differences. So children, today you should learn the differences between plant cell and animal cell, prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell from your book. Thank you children.